Is your Dunedin roof faded and peeling? That's not just ugly. It's a huge red flag for what's happening underneath. The answer is professional roof painting that's built to last. Flaking paint lets in water, causing fast corrosion and wear. A lasting finish starts with prep, water blasting, and priming. Skipping this is why DIY paint jobs peel and cause new leaks. A pro job prevents huge repair bills and boosts your home's value. Don't just paint your roof, protect your biggest investment. Visit Dunedin Paint Pro Roofers.nz to book your free quote today.